Maybe you can stand it up.
Okay.
You can stand up. I can see bigger.
Okay. Sammy.
Yes.
Which one of these letters sound is good? What letter is that?
I know what it is.
What letter is it?
F.
F, that's right. And can you give me a word that begins with F?
Froggy.
Frog, and what else? Friend.
Friend.
Okay. Now, what color are we going to color that?
Green.
Okay, and why are we using green?
Because it's time for frog.
Okay, go ahead and color it.
Fine.
Great job. Now, which letter does dog begin with? D. Good. And what is that?
Doggy.
No. What letter
D.
is it? D. That's right. And dog. What else starts with D?
Doggy.
Dog. And what else?
I don't know.
You don't know what else? What about dragon?
Dragon.
And
Ant.
no, not ant. What about deer?
Deer.
Deer, that's right.
Yeah.
Now, what color would you color that letter?
Brown.
Brown. Why are we coloring it brown?
Because it's for dog.
Okay, we're going to have a brown dog. Go ahead and color it brown.
Where's brown?
You have a
Right
brown?
there.
Okay, let me get your brown.
That if I see one, they don't know if I see
Okay,
one.
there you go. Here's the brown. Color that one brown. Good job. What else did we say was dragon and dog and duck?
Turkey.
Yeah. Okay.
Duck
Now,
is brown.
which letter begins? Let's see. Which one has the b sound? Okay. And what letter is that?
B.
B. And can you give me a word for B that begins with
Girl.
B? No, not girl. Take
Okay.
your hand out of your mouth.
Okay.
Sit up straight. Can you tell me a letter that begins with B? A word, rather.
Word rather.
B for
The boy.
boy. And
Ball.
what ball? And what color are we going to color it?
Blue.
Blue.
You only said what, 2 things?
So go ahead and color it blue.
Oh, not turquoise.
You have learned so many letters since February.
I know.
You
Yeah.
know? Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Okay. What is this letter? What
E.
letter? E. And what's the sound of the E?
E.
Hand out of your mouth. What's the sound of the E?
E.
E. Okay. And give me a word that begins with E.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Egg. And elephant.
Yay! Give me 5. Okay, and what color are we going to color?
We're going to color gray.
Okay, color it gray. Good job. Staying in the lines. You've learned a lot about everything, haven't you?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. If I was going to make a sentence with it, I would say the elephant dropped the egg on the eagle. Or the eagle dropped the egg on the elephant. Okay, what letter is this one?
H.
H. And what's the sound of the H? Okay, and give me a word that begins with H.
Hat.
Another
and
one?
house and horsey.
Okay, and what color are you going to color it?
We're gonna color it red.
Why are you coloring it red?
Hot.
For hot. Good.
For hot
For
sauce.
the red. Go ahead.
Why
Okay,
does
let's
hot
finish.
sauce? Why does hot sauce burn?
Oh, because that's why they call it hot sauce. It like so has chili peppers in it, and it's supposed to season your meat and burn. Let's finish up.
Oh, that's why it burns.
Mm-hmm. Seasons your food. A lot of people like hot, spicy food.
I don't like hot, spicy food.
Okay, let's concentrate. Good job. Now, what does the word monkey begin with? Monkey. Good. What letter is that?
M.
M. And do you have another word that you can associate with that?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. What else? Who's at Disney World?
People.
What kind? What? Mickey
Minnie Mouse.
Mouse. Minnie
Minnie.
Mouse. Good. Stop moving around. Go ahead. And what color are you going to color it?
Yellow.
Yellow and
Brown.
why?
Because it's a monkey.
Okay, go ahead and color it yellow and brown. Yellow and brown. Go ahead and color it.
Yellow.
And brown. Concentrate. Concentrate. I like it when you concentrate when you're doing your work.
Cut up.
Mm-hmm. Good job. You know just about all of your letters, don't you?
Yes.
Now, can you pick out a letter and tell me what it is? Pick out a letter.
K.
K. And what sound does the K make? Okay. And can you give me a word for that? Koala. Good job. What else? Give me one more. What other kind of animal begins with a K? Maybe the one that carries a pouch. What is that one?
Pouch.
King.
King.
King. And what other kind of animal though? Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Good. And what color are you going to color that?
Black and gray.
Okay, black and gray for?
For koala.
Okay, koala.
There's a black too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting so good at this.
Yes, you are. You're getting fantastic. And before you know it, you're going to be putting your sounds together and you're going to start reading, forming words and reading. You like that?
I do that all the time.
Mm-hmm. You've come a long way since February. That's great. Okay.
JJ showing slide.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What letter is this?
C.
And what sound does C make? No, that's kind of like the S. Good, good. And what color are you going to color this?
White and red.
Why?
Because for candy cane.
Candy and cane and cotton and what else?
Go
ahead and color it. What are you thinking?
I'm gonna color it white
and red. Come on, so you have time to go.
Can you hear me say this?
Can you go ahead and color?
I'm gonna do white.
Well, just for saving time, why don't you just, yeah, there you
I'm gonna
go.
make it a little cleaner.
Yeah, makes it cleaner, that's right.
Cool.
And what are you using to do that? What are these called?
Yellow.
No, what is it called though? Is it a pencil?
Cram.
It's a crayon, and crayon begins with the letter C. That's a fantastic job. Let's see if we can show your work here. Very neat. I like that. You're staying inside the line. You're doing a fantastic job. Now, can you pick out another letter and tell me what it is? Go ahead, tell me. What letter? A says Good.
This I was apple.
Look at me. What? Apple and what else? Look at
And
me.
ant.
Ant. Look at me. Apple, ant. One more. What's that thing that you put in the water to hold the boat still?
You.
Anchor. Anchor. That's right.
Does it to bring you back on boat?
Yeah. Now, can you go ahead and color? What color are you going to color that A?
The red.
Why?
Because it starts with apple.
Because it's an apple. It could be red or it could be green. It could be any yellow. It could be, but you chose to color it red. Good job.
But next time, can I choose
You can
green?
choose whatever you like.
Then can I choose
Go ahead, color.
green
Mm-hmm.
for red? Apples can be red. Apples can be red and green.
Yeah, red,
It
green,
can be any
yellow.
color. It can be any
Not
color.
any color. Now we have red ones. We have yellow. We have green ones. Okay, what is this letter now?
G.
G. And G says
G.
no.
G.
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 And give me a word that begins with that.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Girl.
Girl.
And
Goat. Good. And what color are you going to color that and why?
brown and
Okay. For what?
for giraffe.
Okay. Go ahead and do it. Doing a fantastic job. And I like the way you're sitting still and concentrating. Okay, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 more letters. Okay, what letter is this?
G. I'm on J.
J. And what is the sound of the J? Look at me.
J.
Okay, and give me a word for it.
Jelly jar jumping jack.
I can't hear you. What?
Jelly jar jumping jack.
Jelly jar, jumping jack.
And jelly bean.
Jelly bean. So what color are you going to color that?
Pink.
Going to color it pink. Go right ahead. Good job.
You know, I already know
Okay.
how to write this.
I know you know. We practice writing all of the letters. What letter is this?
I.
I. Give me a word for I.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What else? Look at me. What
X-ray.
No, that's with the X.
Oh.
What's the little animal that runs around that looks like a lizard?
That's a guana.
Iguana. And what color are we going to color that?
We're gonna color it purple
Okay, color it purple.
for ice cream.
Okay, you want purple ice cream, that's fine.
I mean, I want
No, go ahead and color it purple like you said. That's the color we've been using.
and then it's gonna look
Associated with it. Now we have 2 more letters that we've learned so far. And what is it?
L.
L. And give me a word for L.
Okay.
What's a word for L?
Love you.
Love. Good. And what else? Look at me. Love and what else?
What
are you doing with me?
Looking.
Looking. And what else? What are these?
Mouth. Lip gloss.
Lips. Okay. Okay. And locks.
Locks.
Okay. What color are we going to color that one?
We're going to color it turquoise.
Turquoise. Okay. Go ahead.
I don't know why it's turquoise.
Mm-hmm. And you know what? You've learned all of these letters in 2 months, and that's really good. Really, really good. We have one more. That's the one we did last week. What is it?
N.
N. That's right. N for nut.
Nut.
No.
No.
What else?
No. Yes.
Net.
Net.
Mm-hmm. And what color are you going to color that?
We're going to color it yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
I'm going to color it yellow. Then I'm done.
Then you're done? Okay.
Then can I go outside?
Mm-hmm. Then we're going outside. You've done a fantastic job. This is what I want you to do. Yay! I'm so proud of you.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay,
Sit
can
down.
I see myself?
What's this?
A.
What's this? What letter?
F.
What letter?
L. B. G. M. C. H. N. D. I. E.
Think about it. Can't remember?
J.
Okay, jelly, jam. What letter?
J.
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 J for jello. And the last one?
K.
All right, give me 5. You did a fantastic
Well,
job.
we forgot this one.
No, we did that one.
Oh.
That was the end. You've done those. Thank you.
I'm done. Can I see myself?
Thank you.